Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll be working on the Fiesta, guys, right here. Fiesta generation from 2008 to 2017 MK7. And we'll show you guys how to remove and replace traction control switch. We are rebuilding this 2014 Mercedes. Check it out, guys. We got an amazing deal through Copart. So we're talking about this traction control switch right here, guys. So if yours needs to be replaced or you need to remove it, we'll show you how to do that. The whole car will be taken apart. Don't forget that, the whole vehicle. So we'll have probably close to 200 videos on that car. So if you need anything, let us know, subscribe, most likely we'll have it. All the tools that we'll be using, they will be in the description of the video below, so make sure you check it out. That way, if you need anything, you know how to find it quick. We'll try to list everything that we use. Next you need a panel removal tool. Okay, and right here, you're going to pry a little bit, okay, to get this thing out. And then you need to pull a little bit towards the front, okay, like that. We need to do the same thing on this side. Okay, and on this side it's a little bit tighter. One of the sides will be always, okay, a little bit tighter. So let me just grab it quick. So again, the same thing, and you need to go towards the back. Okay, like that. You have to be careful not to break anything. Now, with a plastic removal tool, there is a clip here and one clip here. Now you have to be careful, sometimes they will fall off, so you have to hunt for them once you remove the panel. Okay, and you need to start working your way up there. There is 2 more clips. Now you need to disconnect the wires. Once I disconnect them, I'm going to show you what you need to do. Okay, so these wires, guys, on the bottom side you have a thing that you press down. Okay, right here, press down and pull. So let me show you now where all the clips are. Okay, you can see right here you have 2 clips, 2 right here. Okay, ours 2 are missing right here, so those fell out, and 2 on top. Even without the middle ones you can still do it, but usually they'll be down there, and you can reach them by removing the shifter board right here. So now we have the traction control switch right here, and you have 2 teeth holding in, one on this side, one on the other one. So get your plastic removal tool, press in, okay, and you need to push it out. You have to do the same thing on this side. Okay, guys, and this is the ESC traction control switch. That's how you guys remove it. Ours is a 2015, so if you need any numbers, okay, they will be right here. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. We put everything together in reverse order. We took it apart, and see you guys. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.